Welcome to the installation video for the sink front tip-out trays with soft close. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: 1 or 2 tip-out trays, 2 pairs of hinges, 2 dampener kits, number 8 by 1/2 inch truss head screws, and number 8 by 5/8 inch flathead screws. This sink base tip-out organizer will work on sink cabinets that have 2 openings that are 14.5 inches or larger, or 1 opening that is 32.5 inches or larger. Today, we will demonstrate with 11-inch trays. However, the installation process is the exact same for 14-inch trays. It is important that no matter what size you purchase, to always measure to make sure it fits your particular application. From the inside of your cabinet, reach up underneath the sink and use your pencil to trace a light line around the inside frame perimeter of the sink front panel. Mark a small T to identify the top of the sink front panel. Remove the panel. The soft close dampeners have been engineered with enough force where only 1 dampener is required per set of hinges. The type of sink base cabinet you have will also determine how many hinges you will use. Measure to make sure you have at least 3 inches of clearance on only one side of the opening, and that will be the side you mount your soft close dampener. Now assemble the soft close dampener kit. Extend the arm of the hinge and insert the barrel into the slot. Use the provided screw to tighten on the back. Next, carefully cut out the hinge and extension templates from the instruction guide. Punch out the holes of the hinge template and line up with the front edge of the cabinet opening. For frameless applications such as ours, mark all 4 hole locations. Repeat on the other side. For face frame cabinets, mark only the front 2 holes over the face frame. Using a 3/32 inch bit, carefully pre-drill the marked pilot hole locations. It is important to not drill all the way through the side of the cabinet. Line up the extension template to the bottom right corner of your perimeter and mark 2 hole locations. Repeat for the bottom left corner. Use the T to indicate the top of the panel. Measure and locate the center of your frame perimeter. Mark the center line. Gently mark the center of your tray. Align the center marks along the top of the frame perimeter. With the tray in place, mark the center of the 2 tray holes. Before pre-drilling, it's a good idea to put a piece of tape at the base of your bit to use as a guide to help prevent you from drilling all the way through the front panel. Pre-drill the holes using the 3/32 inch bit. Do not drill all the way through the panel. Loosely screw in the truss head screws on the door panel, leaving just enough room to attach the tip-out tray. Attach the left and right hinge to the sink front panel using the same truss head screws. Installation of trays on a single panel will only require 1 set of hinges. Both dampeners may be recommended depending upon the cabinet base width. Line up the entire sink front assembly with the cabinet opening. While extending the hinge, use the number 8 by 5/8 inch flathead screws to secure the hinge to the side wall. Repeat for the other side. For face frame cabinets, attach the 2 screws to the face frame. Insert the tray and gently tighten the screws, leaving them just loose enough so you can remove for cleaning. Repeat the process when installing the second tip-out tray. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.